gamer. It's me, Mr. Roblox. I'm gonna play Don't Press the Button. It's kind of cool game where you play offline and then what press that something good or bad happens. So you really should play this. And I'll make new videos. But if you just give me a like, so thank you. Yeah, let's go. I'm seriously pull it. No, please don't. Bruh. No. Oh, no. Ouch, that hurts. Yes. Oof. No. You all vacuum some people. Run. I think those are what is this tornado? I've never seen a tornado go that fast of attacking. Heal. What the? Heal, it's gone. I can see you. Michael.
Hey, we saw Michael.
Did he say, hey, he saw us, Michael? What did he say? Okay, I can do this. Yeah. Bruh. I fell. Okay, anyways. Oh no, what's that? Bombs? Ah! I'm just gonna stand here, nothing good happens. I'm the god. No one can hurt me. Yes, I told you guys. I'm the best. Let me just climb the button. Speed run. Okay, I'm gonna speed run for the ouch. That hurts. Like my body is literally like dancing when it's still broken. Jump. Jump. Now I'm gonna do the trick right here. Okay, ready? Steady, go! Boom! Yay, I did! I collected the double coin. Coins for me. Yeah. What? I don't even know. Why do they do food? You couldn't get meat or whatever you want. Ah! Oh, that is so close. Just 1 second. Bye bye. Whoever was going there has to Why am I so slow? Wait, is it all the way? How am I gonna I'm literally faster. But now I'm faster. Like, that is so dumb. The speed coil gives you speed. This this sucks. Whoa, they're so close. I could have lost all the parkour. What's this guy? Ah! What the heck was that? So near. I'm literally so near. Bro! Oh my god, I was so close. But I don't care. I care about coins. Coins. Now Baba. Great. You annoying little fuzzies. But fuzzies. I made out fuzzies. Wow. Baba from Mario came in Roblox. I didn't know that. Well, run. Okay, now I'm gone. Now I can press the button. Another speedrun? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to show you the race of the roblox. Now it's already started. I lost diamond. Last. Yeah, last. But if I do this stunt, I'll be first place because everyone doesn't know. But after 30 seconds! Run! Run, man. Run, run, run. Just wait a few seconds! Run! Oh, no, 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 no! So close. So close. It's just on this wood platform. Oh, no, no. I'm almost there. Almost there. 1% close. Epic! Yeah, now I'm first. Yeah, I got the trophy of 2 coins. I'm so slow. I'm so slow. Now, but I'm so far jumping. Just for the It's literally so hard to control you. I can't even get this little damn it. It's literally so difficult to see where you're landing. This sucks. And why am I even so slow? Yeah, now I'm fast. Anyways, why is it time for trivia? 2019, obviously. Yay! Thank you for the name. Coin. Yeah, who said that? What is that? What are you? Donuts? Who are you eating donuts? Donuts are not allowed on this plate. Oh no 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 no! But lava spinners are really not allowed. I didn't even know what side was it come from. You're gonna die. My screen just became slower, so I thought it was going very slow, so I just relaxed. But then it literally started running faster. Everyone's seriously dead. We are like all in. Wait, 7 people? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there are 8 people. Wait, bro. 8 people. Okay. Okay. Easy. You can just stand here. And safe and stand. Now I'm literally Katie, so scared. Katie, I'm so scared. Who is literally like that? Just mute yourself. Get ready for the sword fight. Now that what I'm talking, I'm not going to use my sword. Useless thing. I'm just gonna run with a by speed coil. I don't care about swords. I care about speed. The both of these girls are literally after me. Okay, I'll kill her. Again, I can do it. I can just use the sword. Oh no! Yeah! I'm gonna win. I can just go to them now. Haha, losers. I thought you would win so easily. Well, so thank you guys for watching the video. 10 likes for the next video. Bye bye.